Meet the Global 8000, a member of Bombardier's industry-leading business jet family. It is marketed as the world's fastest and longest-range business jet. The Global 8000 aircraft is the ultimate all-in-one business aircraft, with an industry-leading range of 8,000 nautical miles and an unsurpassed top speed of Mach 0.94. This aeroplane exceeds the speed of sound during testing. Following a flying test with a Global 7500 flight test vehicle, the aircraft, which was accompanied by a NASA FA-18 chase plane, consistently exceeded Mach 1.015, paving the way for a maximum Mach operational speed of M0.94 and making it the world's fastest business jet and the fastest in public aviation since the Concorde. When flying at 41,000 feet, the discerning Global 8000 business jet has the healthiest cabin in the industry, with the lowest cabin altitude in its class of 2,900 feet. The acclaimed Bombardier Vision flight deck, with next-generation fly-by-wire technology and a blend of cutting-edge avionics with great ergonomics and aesthetics for extraordinary comfort and control, is featured in the cockpit of the Global 8000 aircraft. Bombardier unveiled the Global 8000, a longer-range variant of the 7500, during the EBS in May 2022. The older model will be phased out in favor of the new 8000, with service entry expected for 2025. Current 7500s can be converted via a service bulletin. The modified FTV-5 testbed has already completed flight testing, reaching a slightly supersonic Mach 1.015 in May 2021. The certification campaign will be completed with a single prototype. It will face off against the new Gulfstream G800, which has a list price of $75 million to $78 million due to lower building costs. The aircraft has identical overall dimensions to the Global 7500, including length, breadth, height, and cabin length. General Electric Passport engine is installed on the aircraft. It also has a range of 14,800 kilometers, which is longer than the Global 7500 series. Additionally, all of the specifications are identical to those of prior versions. When the Global 8000 enters service in 2025, current Global 7500 operators will be able to retrofit the remarkable performance increases to their aircraft. This aircraft will now be the world's fastest business jet. As in March 2019, a Global 7500 set the record for the longest mission ever flown by a purpose-built business jet, flying 8,152 nautical miles, 15,098 kilometers, in 16 hours from Singapore to Tucson, Arizona. The plane landed with enough fuel to fly another 1.5 hours. Bombardier has won numerous important awards for the Global 7500's unique design and has proven time again that they build the highest quality aircraft. In the comments box, tell us what you think of this plane. Let's take a look at the Bombardier Global 8000's introduction.